Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Collaborative. So this is episode 3. Today we're going to finish our login screens. You could make it so that it's all one screen and that it switches back and forth to sign up and log in, which is cool, but I'm going to do it differently. I'm going to do an actual sign up screen as well. So what we're going to do is I double click to get out of there. I'm going to move them over. On the right hand side, I'm going to search for a view controller. Now, when I'm doing this is all kind of going off the fly. I have an idea of what I want, but really, if you see me waiting for a while or trying to figure it out, that's the way it is. I hope to put annotations in so you know when to skip forward, because it'd be boring. So we have this view controller. Let's see. Let's copy. I don't know if I'm allowed to do that or not. Don't do that. Let's just take a view. We'll make it the same way. So search for a UI view. Gotta make it all the way bigger again. Once again, this is so very boring. You should be able to do this no problem by yourself. Now, what I will do is understand what color that is. Let's see if I have it available to me. Nope, not that one. Let's do this one. There we go. Cool. And then we'll do another view. We place right at the top. Stretch it over. I always stretch by corners. Seems to be a little easier. Maybe there's a shortcut to do this. I'm not really sure. Let's see. We said before the height was 57. Plus 59. Okay, 57. So let's set it there. We're going to make this guy green. Background. Green. And we're going to take a label. So I'm just going to copy this label. I think I can go over here and I can go V. Yes. Constraints might have come with it, which could be good or bad. This is going to be sign. Oh, I always forget if, spelling wise and all that jazz. Oh wow, look at that. It can't be quite as big. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Oh, the G's been covered up over here too, huh? I think. Whoop. Command Z. Always Command Z. If you don't like what happened. Let's move it up. Yeah. You know what? We'll do that. We're going to make this 68. And this guy, we're going to update. Which might break a lot of stuff. So we're not going to do it. But you should. That looks pretty cool though, doesn't it? Big old G like that. This probably would too then. Pretty cool. Sucks, I didn't plan on this. I didn't want to do more, but Why are the G's different? Oh, you know what I bet? I bet it gets cut off. It's not that the G's any different. Oh, look at that. Oh, my goodness. Oh, because he is bigger, right? This one, didn't we change this? Probably yelling at me. 21. Yes, it's 23. 1. Voila. Now I can make this green thing here. 77. 68. 68. Look, it perfectly touches. I'm going to click on that. Use shift to slide it up a little bit. Oh, looks good. Just a little higher. Oh, well, I like that. Log in, sign up. All right. Now, what we want is upon clicking the sign up button. So I'm going to turn the left. What is this thing called? Hide document outline. So I'm going to pull up the document outline. That's what this piece is here. And if you're in this view where I am, you can click structure. and that will pull you back to what you really want. I'm going to hide all these constraints, but I'm going to click login. Now click sign up, my button, and I'm going to control drag it. So if you hit control and then drag over, you can click on show, present modally, show detail. I'm going to click show. That's what everybody seems to do. And let's run it. Let's see if it pops up. I test a lot, or try to, because it's a lot, it makes it better. Because problems really start compounding on each other. Compounding and compounding. Okay, so far so good. Sign up. And voila. Now you saw how it presented it that way. The little animation. I think that's from the show. I think you can change it. Yeah, like I could do, it's a push. Present modally. Oh, presentation, right? We can do like let's do a recurring context. Let's see what that means. I don't even know. You got to play around with things. There's a lot of things, and if you don't play around with it, you know, how do you learn? And that's why I wanted to do this, is because same thing. Didn't even change anything that I thought. I'm gonna leave it as a push. Just a little easier. But that's why I want to do this, because it's fun to play around and talking to myself like this. I think it's gonna help out. So I'm gonna give it quickly. Uno, dos, tres. Lock in that height. Add the 4 constraints. We need to, yes, you got it right. Center it horizontally. This view, we're going to go to 1. We don't want it to constrain the margins. We just want it to go to 0 on all of them. We want it to be perfectly stretched. Boom, looks good. This guy, should be able to do this. Let's put it at 0. Because we want it all the way on the very. Let's see what happens. I was told you're not supposed to do negative constraints. It's not good practice. So you should avoid them. I mean, technically this is a negative constraint, but let's see. I didn't actually, say, hey, I don't have a negative constraint, list. I have it at 0, and we'll see. I mean, whatever makes you sleep at night, right? Sign up. Hey, not working. Not working. Why is this? Okay, what do we have in here? So it's the main one. And this one, the sign up button, has some constraints. A width and a height. Oh, okay. So we don't want these pushing it, because it's going to be making up random different things. So we don't want trailing, bottom, height. Let's get rid of the trailing. Let's get rid of, let's leave the bottom. And let's, you got it, horizontally center in the container. What? Let's click on them. And then horizontally center. See, no more red. Hitting play. And dun da da da. Computer's getting slow. All right, here we go. Sign up right there in the middle. Looks good. You can fix that. We should, but I really want to get moved on. It's so much fun to do the other stuff. So maybe I'll add a hint of how to fix that or something later. I don't know if I do. We should, but no. Okay. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do, how do we do this? We're going to do this, how to recreate it real quick. Let's see who's faster. Ready? Go! Dun, 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 dun. Who is faster? 295, 177. 295, 177. There. I want the same width, but length is going to be a little longer. I'm going to go ahead and do label. Triple labels. No, I don't want any labels. Sorry, I got too excited. Rid of label 1, 2. Actually, I do want labels. What am I thinking? Because I'm going to do this instead. I'm going to do label, label, label. This is going to be our, like, telling them what it actually is. So this is going to be, I should be telling you, you should be fat, try to beat me, helping you. Well, you know where I am then. Username, password. Gotta have an email. You don't have to, but if you didn't, then we might as well have just used the one screen. What's next? Text field, you got it. Alright. 1. Command C, Command V. Oh, that didn't work. Command C, Command V. Ha, got it. Now the other way, what's the other way to do it? How could you make it? You could hit Command D, and that would just make a duplicate. So that's probably the right way to do it. And in here, I'm still going to put placeholders because it's nice. Now you might be asking why on each, because, well, username. If you don't have both, I found the user experience not to be as nice when I've clicked on it, like the email to go enter it, and then I just somehow also forget, oh, what was I doing just now? And then it's like, oh, I have no way of knowing, of seeing, or anything. You're lost. So we're going to increase this a little bit more so we can put our button, which will, oh, whoa, I guess I hit enter somehow. And Z, because I want it to bring it down here. I don't know if I need to. I need 2 buttons. Let's see. So I'm going to have one. It's going to say sign up. Sign up. Yeah, I'm going to have the 2 buttons. And this one's just going to be back. Oops. So you got to take your time. Back. Okay. Nice and lined up against the edge. Nice and lined up against the edge. So I like this because I can now take it. You should be able to make like a stack view or something like that, which is here. But uh-oh. Hope I didn't just make a stack view. Shoot. Oh. Okay, let's go ahead and lock in, center it, and height and the width. Boom. Let's go update this font. You gotta do it, you gotta do it. Now, I don't know how this would work for a job. I've never actually created one personally. I'm actually a sales guy. So that might scare you a little bit. I probably just lost a subscriber or two, or, well, I can't because I don't have any yet. But I'll tell you this, I have looked at a lot of tutorials and never found what I was looking for. So that's why I'm hoping this, let's make that bigger, will help somebody else out who, like me, needs help. Because I finally kind of decided that what I've been looking for is, how do I make it smaller without crushing it? There we go. Yeah. So like doesn't look right, but sign up and back. There we go. I wanted to find a need constraints. See, stack view. I did put a stack view in. Dang it. I'm trying to show you guys what's up. I get all excited. So I'm gonna take stack view, delete. No, don't want to do that. Command Z. Command Z. how do I get? All right, what I'm gonna try to do is pull it out of the stack view. It's like, I don't know if this happens to you guys, but okay, there we go. Voila. Let's put it right above it. Boom. Now I'm gonna take the stack view, delete it. I'm sure there's another way to do it. There always is. But now I can get back to a black color and a black color. And let's put this guy. Is that dark funky color? Oh, is that the first one? No. This one. Yeah, I guess that's it. Oh, so I'm used to having well, first let's put these fonts. Let's get the fonts right. I'm already not liking the design. It's hard for me to really sit down and design a program. I know what I want, but I don't. It's hard to explain it. I don't know how to put it on the paper. So I found that my favorite way to do it is just get at it, just start building. But that's why my development process, I feel like, is slow. Because it takes forever to do all these things. So it would make a lot more sense if you were fast to do them in Photoshop. Probably mock it up real quick, like they say, but I haven't enjoyed doing that yet. So, boom, let's make that guy big, huh? Let's put him right there. A little smaller. How big is this guy? Height of 37. Let's give it 39. 39. Email. Gotta click a couple times. 39. Back. 48. And this guy. Oh, let's go back as 50 then, because somebody's got it. Okay. I'm gonna take email and move it down a little bit. Take email here. Let's move it down. 2. I use the arrow keys right there. I click on it, go 1, 2. So they look good. This guy is going down 1, 2. You gotta be pixel perfect, you know. It really makes a big difference. That L is still being cut off on this guy, huh? Email. Let's see what size he is. He's 17 only. 17. And the L is cut off. To make it bigger isn't working either. This is not good. Because now he has too much space between it. It just looks funny. Alright, I'm gonna go ZZ. Boom. What's the 2? 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, let's do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then take this guy, move him down 1, 1, 1, and 1. Boom. I'm liking it. Not loving it. Now, an easy way I feel like to fix this would be to switch username and email. Or essentially put email up top and push everybody down. So let's do that. Instead, I'm just going to do it like this. Email. Username. Password. username needs to be a capital. Otherwise it looks silly. And that I think looks pretty good. Email label needs a placeholder, not text. And this guy, this email label now, we can make good. Now it looks like they all fit. And yeah, I'm not sure if I'm liking the white there. It's big and bold. This is plain. But I'm gonna stop here for today. Different styles. I'm thinking, yeah. Let's try something here real quick. Oh, we have red. What is red? Need constraint for X and Y. What do you mean? I thought we had a. We have that. That should do everything. Let's play it. Let's see what we have to fix. Come on, run. Looks good. Does not look good. So this guy is not getting constrained right, the view. Oh, because he's in a stack view again. Well, that's the whole problem. I don't know how to remove a stack view. So I just delete it. It's going to... Oh. Okay, well, apparently that might have just happened. I'm going to give it back its constraints. Looks good. Hit play. Wow, so everything I just did, apparently I did it in a stack view, not in a normal view, and thus I have to redo all of it. Wow. Exactly why you don't want to follow me. That sucks. But I'm fast, but see, that's why you don't want to be fast, is because that's why it happened. Email, username. If you're following along, let's race. Password. Unless you're putting me on 1.25, then you're on challenge mode. Have to do the usernames again. Nope, it's email. Email. Username and password. Also, guys, I am using all Mac software to record these videos. If you have ideas for other ways or you see things that are off, let me know. I want to fix them. I'm not going to be producing the highest quality because I'm not charging you for these, but I do have some pride, right? So I gotta make them kind of nice. You can see the spacing looks off a little bit on these guys. Let's drop that down like that. Cool. Let's put all of them into their what fonts they need. Well, I'm talking the whole array, so we gotta go all out here. Style, regular. Dang it, see. Leave them at 17. Why not? Just make it high enough where we can see. Email. Boom. Bring it up. Still can't see it all. What a pain. What a pain. There we go. Looks good to me. Username, font, custom, family, the last one. I'm not even going to try to say it. I don't want to embarrass myself. Alright, let's move it down. You know, is that you? Is there something cooler? Let's put, okay, that's just too big. Let's just be a little smart. I don't like it. There we go. How big we got this guy? Email, username, and then the password. So you saw it was all pixel perfect before, but now I don't even know where I'm at, so I'm a little disappointed. So I'm just going to continue, and go. This is kind of part of iOS development, though. Welcome to coding. And the reason I feel confident, at least to even be able to show you guys this, is because, yes, while I am not a great programmer yet, I'm getting there. I've learned a lot. Actually, but this is more of a framework. What we're doing, like, while it is coding, it's more software, and so that's where I'm kind of pretty good at. I don't know, it's always interested me. So, like, I started learning Ruby as my first language. Well, not really first, but more serious on my own. And I actually stopped and then started learning Rails, and was told go Rails first, and so that's what I did. And it worked out. I enjoyed Rails a lot, and that's why I think I like Swift so much, because they're very similar. All right. Email, username, password, yes. Oh, image. Oh, we need a UI image view. Can you guess why? So don't put it in the thing. You're supposed to put it outside because I guess it can get stuck in there somewhere. Boom. There's one. What am I going to do? Command D? There. Why not? The other ones don't seem to work as well. Command D. One more time. All three lined up. This guy could be up a pixel or two. Come on. Come on. Get out of my way. I think that's good, but he doesn't line up. That's what we want right there. Now I can go email. I don't have an email photo, but username. That was contacts 50? Nope. Contacts 51? Yes. Password. Remember what the password was? It was like a lock something, lock 50? No. Lock 50? No. Yes. Remember if you don't know how I got those, or you're new, in the last couple of videos I put some custom stuff in. That looks okay. Move him over. And got different these different icons from a free site. Go back and watch episode 1 before this. I forgot if this is episode 2 or 3. I think this is 3, so go watch episode 2 and you'll see exactly how I did this. Or if you're an intermediate because you skipped it, you thought you were Mr. Hotshot, find your own icon and put it in yourself. Not that hard, but I do need one more, so I will show you how I did it. Lucky you. iOS app icons free. Yes, here we go. Email. Message. This is sweet. Download, you have to probably create a thing. Don't link to us unless you want it. Yes. Oh, a link required. Oh, snap. I'm doing that now. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Open new tab. Command C. Download that. 1 second. All right. Okay, and I'm back. So, thank you very much for that. Sorry, iOS icons 8 for not doing that. Good thing I'm putting these videos out one after another. So if you wonder why the quality's low, it's pretty much because I record it and then hop out, go ahead and do quick editing, put it together, and throw it up there for you. Because I'm trying to get my app done just like everybody is trying to get theirs done. Boom, threw it into the assets folder right as I clicked it, opened it here. Going back to main storyboard, clicking on my image and going to, oh gosh, what is this? What is this? This is image, no, image, yes. Message, bam, look at that. That looks pretty nice. Let's make it a little smaller. What are these guys? He's 34, 35, 34, 34. All right, let's do 34, 34, everybody. You know, you could, there's probably some cool way you could figure out some mathematical, how everything should look. Look awesome on everything, you know. Let's put a little bit of padding from the edge. Yeah, all lined up. What do you think? Thinking that's looking really cool, really nice. Much better than I've done in the past. Let's last hook up the back button. There's a way I think you can just click, drag up to the view, to exit, to the exit. Click and drag. Let's hit play and see. I'm not 100% sure here. Up, cancel, because it's already running. Here we go, moment of truth. Sign up. Back. Doesn't work. Sign up. Great. You know what? Something just looked different. Oh, I guess because they have a different color inside. Oh, guys, tell me. Come on, yell at me. Get in the chat room. I'm going to be doing these live once we get some people in the chat room because I am learning this all day, every day. And I need you guys to stay on me so I can learn it. Boom. That's why it was looking so good. Whatever. Oh, password. That's different. Yeah, we'll do small. You know, I don't know if there's different designs. Now, another thing is hold control and click this, and sometimes you'll see different things. If you ever see a yellow or something not working, it's typically an easy fix. But why did this? Oh, see, it doesn't even want to connect. It'll connect to those two. That's why it didn't work. It'll connect to those two, but not to there. It doesn't want to do it. I'm thinking that's because if I do a replace, now I click on the back button and I click it. Nope, still no. So I'm gonna go back here, push it back to show. Click on the back button, go the old school way. Control, drag back to there, hit show. Not the prettiest, but this is Hacker Edition collaborative style. You know, this is what it is. It's an MVP here. Come on. If you know how to do it better, let me know. Or submit in the form that you want to see it done a different way, and I'll figure it out and post the video. The whole point is I want these videos eventually to really be alive. That's cool, right? We hit back, it goes back, hit sign up, it goes there, sign up, doesn't do anything yet, log in, doesn't do anything yet. Really show you how to do all this stuff so you can figure it out on your own. You know, if you're looking for like this, or if you want it cleaner and you don't want to see these segues, we can do it in the code. And prepare for segue and do different things that way. So whatever you guys want to see, I will find it and do it and to make our apps awesome. All right, that is it.